G'day mates, how you going? Do you know what we call children in Australia? Well that is what I'm going to teach you next. Yeah. So g'day people, my name is Glenn and on this channel I like to teach you different words that we use in Australia and show you different aspects of Australian life and places that I visit in Australia. Maybe I'll show you some Hong Kong. Well, today we're talking about children. Now my neighbours over there, they have children. Very nice children. The guy is a bit shy. The daughter is a bit but I don't mind. Kids cool. And we have a unique name that we like to call kids, and that is ankle biter. So, you know how big kids are. Oh, they're only about half the size of me, probably even smaller, depending on their age. And sometimes they like to wrap around your leg, especially when they want something or they don't want you to go and they want you to stay or get them. So they go around your neck, and we call those people ankle biters because it's like they grab around your neck and biting your ankle, and you're going, go away. So it's like a little a little dog nipping at your feet. So ankle biter, yeah, you know what an ankle is. It's part of your anatomy. Joins your foot to your limb. And well, little kids sometimes actually like to bite, like when I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to like biting people until someone bit me back and drew blood. And that was the day I gave up. So ankle biter, that's what we call kids. So in a sentence, if you want to say a kid in a beautiful way, just call them an ankle biter. Oh, Patsy, how's your ankle biters going today? I heard that they're doing really great at school. So that is one sentence you could use it. But in general, you can just replace children or kids with ankle biter. And that is today's word. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please leave a comment down below about Australian words that you've used in Australia. Specifically this one. Okay? Have a nice day. Hooroo.